Hello, today I'm going to make eggs and beans. We're gonna need eggs. You're gonna need to have 2 eggs, each for everybody. And for us, it's 2 cans because it's 3 people. And 1 is a good mix, but because Dad got 2 different ones from a pantry by accident. 1 is Heinz beans, maple syrup, and it has 8 grams of protein. Awesome. And there's also Heinz beans original and tomato sauce, high source of fiber, which is very good. We also have a cast iron pan. Do anybody remember that from Tangled? And we're gonna turn on to medium heat, but for some people, in between 8 and 5. And while that's warming up, we'll open up the beans. We're gonna start with the original, and we need a can opener for this. I'm forgetting how this works. Okay. Here's these. There are some different can openers, but for mine it's just a handheld one. I'll do this one. Ooh. Yeah, you can't see the beans, but they're in there. Can you just see somebody?
Sure.
That juice is good. I forgot to mention Dad, my assistant, partially.
I'm only a partial assistant?
Well,
which part of me is helping you?
And also make sure to subscribe and like. I should have done it the other way. Like and subscribe. Like that.
Perfect.
Right. I added up some water and I'm gonna bring the beans to a simmer.
Right, that means they're bubbling a little bit.
That's good. Now that the beans are simmering, I'm now gonna crack the eggs. This little baby right here. Oh, and I forgot to mention, make sure the eggs are spaced out. Oh, look at the eggs bubbling underneath.
Pretty cool.
That's fun. If you get eggs yolk on your hands, just wash your hands off after. This is what it looks like from up top. Now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Look, I'm using the force. Have any of you guys heard of Star Wars before? If you haven't, it's literally just people from space fighting. Oh, these are some good eggs. That sort of traps the air, but some of the air escapes. But while the eggs are cooking, I'm going to make toast. So you can cook the eggs as long as you like until they're the way you like them. But I'm gonna do them now because that's something basically done. Ah! Do I say body dripping?
Because it's just the steam off the lid.
Okay, fine. I'm safe. Now I'm gonna get some balls and soda. What my dad says is that get some of the beans first and then you put the eggs. Wait, I got the and this is what it looks like when it's finished. Quite delicious, eh? Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can share this with your friends. Goodbye. It might look gross, but it's actually delicious.